Hello from Legazpi. Sunday 30 April. Today we will speak about your first time in Philippines, because I don't see video like that. I did my research and always I have a question. Oh, it's cause this, how to do that, how to going there. So today I do this video for you. You know, since beginning of the year to 24 April, we had 1,000,000.7 tourists. So I guess this end of month today we will reach the 2 million, because now it's summer. January, February is the rainy season, so now it's more tourists. So when you arrive in Philippines, you have visa at arrival 29 days. Don't ask me if you need a COVID certificate, blah blah blah. You have another channel. My channel is not about that. It's your first time in Philippines. You know, I don't want to do a 3 hours video. So if you arrive in Manila, there is a scam there, is the taxi. In Cebu it's the same. If you need to go another terminal to going, example, to Cebu, Davao, you need to take another another plane. There is a scam. They ask 700 pesos for taxi. They come to you. Yes, it's a scam. You take white taxi, and terminal to terminal in Manila, it's 150 pesos. It's what I paid last year. You must to ask meters inside the taxi. When you take the taxi, it must to write 40. You know, sometimes they don't reset. One time it's happened to me. It was white 200. It must to be white 40. Very strong music is disturbed me. So, but you know, terminal to terminal, maybe it's 100. So the guy will ask you, it's okay for you 150? You say yes, it's okay. It's okay. So, be careful about scam taxi. And you take white taxi. The same at Cebu. If you need taxi to go into your hotel, you take white taxi. There's also scam man near the terminal. Before you arrive at taxi, you will say, oh, I drive where you want for 750. No, it's a scam. Don't be scammed. So you must to know, because it's little sad when you need to put all in trash. When you travel inside the Philippines, example, Manila to Cebu, Manila to Tacloban, you cannot have a spray in your luggage. So if you have spray like Axe, Rexona, it's not allowed, and in the south, and they will take it and they will put in the trash. So it's happened to me few times. And also the bomb shave. It's not allowed in your big luggage also. So where to go in the Philippines is the common question I see, because as YouTuber I also check YouTube every day. Interesting what do another, and it's common question. I will be honest with you. I will not say going there, because that. I will say my point of view. Because me, I'm not like other foreigner. I know most of foreigner, they saw only Dumaguete, Baguio, Boracay, Bohol, 4-5 places. Me, I visit all Philippines, all. Except few islands, like Boracay, I was not, Catanduanes, but I will not give you the 100 islands I no visit. So, where to go? It depends why you come here. If you want to get retired, I will recommend you to visit all Philippines. It's what I did before to choose Bicol. I visit most of provinces in the Philippines. To be honest, it's my point of view. Maybe you will fall in love with this place. Me, I don't like big city. I don't like Dumaguete, I don't like Davao, I don't like Bacolod, I don't like Tacloban, I don't like Cebu. But everyone is different. There are foreigners, they are happy in Dumaguete. But me, I don't like Dumaguete. And you will ask why? I will give you my honest point of view. Why I don't like Dumaguete? First, is too much foreigner. I like to see locals. I don't going to one place to see all Belgian. It's example. I want to see Filipino. So I don't like Dumaguete because there is too much foreigner. Too much. In Dumaguete there is no palm. In Dumaguete the boulevard is so small. You have nothing to do there. You have only small park and all foreigner going sit there. I'm sorry, I remember when I was in Dumaguete, it's so boring city. You have nothing to do. I remember, I said, I want to go out this city. I want a scooter, and I go. I say I go anywhere, but I don't stay Dumaguete because there is nothing to do there. And I remember when I went scooter, I saw beautiful place, Pamplona. Very beautiful, there is palm, but it's far from Dumaguete, like 50 kilometers, but it's very beautiful there, very beautiful. Like Bicol, where I am. It's not the best place I choose here, but here is very quiet, you know. Because I don't want to record in Legazpi Boulevard with traffic. All people will say, welcome to my vlog, blah, blah, blah. I know no one will come. I know no one will come here. And also Dumaguete, if you are single, it will be very hard for you to find a girl because there is too much man, too much foreigner. And in small cities, 150,000 people. And there it's maybe 25,000 foreigner. So all people there, they found girl, they not found in Dumaguete, they found in another place in Cebu. I know many they going in Mindanao. So it's not the subject today, where to find the girl, because many couple look my video also. So if you come for get retired, you visit, if you have time, you visit all place Philippines. So if you want beach and sun, I speak for holiday, not to get retired. You have so many places in Philippines, so many places, and many places I was not. But for me, my favorite place, one of my favorite places is Bicol. Why Bicol? Because here is underrated. You have so many beautiful places. You can check my video. Jovelar, Enchanted River, many beautiful places. The Chocolate Hills in Bicol, many places. And here you have very little tourists, very little. Today, I not saw any foreigner today. I not saw any foreigner. So, I cannot recommend one place, but I will give you my point of view. The most popular place. It's good to going there. Why not? So if you want bar and beach and sun, I will recommend you Boracay. But Boracay, you need to know it's overcrowded. most of foreigners, when they going in Boracay, they record 6 a.m. because usually in Boracay is 25,000 people in beach 4 kilometers. Of course, not all people I sit in beach. Some they are visit, some are in bar, some they visit, some they sleep. But you have usually 20-25. So in the day, if you like quiet beach, forget Boracay. It's not quiet place. There is many bar, there is many people. Boracay is, if you like Ibiza in Spain, like Cancun in Mexico. If you like a bar, if you are young, example. If you want quiet place, beach without foreigner, without bar, you have many places like that in Philippines, but not Boracay. Like maybe Bicol, in Sorsogon province, near where I live. You have many places like that. But you need to think about Boracay. It's overcrowded, and there is also pollution. Yes, they filter now all fecal from hotel, but you must to know 25,000 people, they going beach, they pee on the beach. Yes, they pee on the beach. You know, I saw some video foreigner. It's disgusting what I saw. I was not in Boracay. But you know, some people love Boracay because I don't know, maybe they live in Davao, maybe, and when they are there, they are, oh wow, because it's maybe only the one beach they saw in the life, I don't know, maybe they're from Mania, I don't know. But if you like bar, if you like to see many people, if you want to doing party, yes, I will recommend you Boracay. I was not, but it's very popular. It's very popular. So about Baguio, it's also very popular place. I speak about not get water, I speak about tourism. But you need to know Baguio, very smog there. It's the pollution is a big problem in Baguio. It's a big problem. I read every year 2,000 locals die with the pollution of Baguio. But you know, it's okay for visit. It's okay, but not to live. It's okay to going 2-3 days. If I have opportunity to go in Baguio, I will go. I will go. Just take a look, just to see, because it's different. I will go if I have opportunity. You know, I was in some place in Italy also polluted, but it's nice to see, like Firenze, like Roma. It's very beautiful. Yeah, big pollution in Italy, Roma, but very beautiful. So Baguio, if you want to visit, go for a few days. Yes, go if you have opportunity. So I will speak about El Nido. I'm sorry, but I will be honest. I was not El Nido, but I observe. I look many video. I saw a few days ago, Polish guy was El Nido. He was living Siquijor, now he live in Dowin, near Dumaguete. He was there in El Nido. He said it's a nightmare. He want to live. Overcrowded, overpriced, and the beach not nice. Yes, the beach not nice. I'm sorry, I don't speak about El Nido because I was not. I say what other YouTubers say about El Nido. I know there is some channel, oh, the most beautiful Iceland, the most beautiful beach in the world. But you must to know these people. They do YouTube only for money. They will never say bad word about one place because just they want they want to get click. And they know Filipino. They know if they say nice word about one place, all Filipino will put like. Yes, they know about it. And business with people, it's only say nice word about all place they visit. Yes. But you know, one guy say El Nido, the most beautiful place in the world. You know, I have program. I can see how many dislike he have, and I check. But you need Google for that, and I saw he have many dislike, because now you cannot see a dislike on YouTube, but with program you can see. And I saw many dislike, and I know who dislike. It's not Filipino. I think it's foreigner was there, and was they disappoint. They disappoint, and they say like it's not true. Yeah. And I know now many people don't go in El Nido. They go to Nakpon Beach, name like that. But Nakpon Beach now it's come overcrowded also because it's get popular. Nakpon Beach. I heard one French guy, he was there. He say you on the beach and they are TV, they drive fast on the beach. You need like to jump because they will hurt you. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's not holiday. Me everywhere I go in beach, usually I'm alone. Yes, and I'm happy. You know. The day when Bicol, all beach will be overcrowded, I think I will leave. Because it's worth no reason I love Bicol. Because here I go beach, I'm alone with few people. I like that. I do what I want, no people judgmental with me, with my body, with my something. No, I'm alone, no people for judge me. So I hope you know the music there. It's far, but they put music very strong. I heard the songs in the Loper. But you know El Nido, I know a story about El Nido. You know, most of people, they don't know a story El Nido. You know El Nido, it was for a small village with fishermen. And one French guy, he come there. I don't know, it's a very long time ago, maybe 20 years ago. I saw this movie on YouTube, it's a very old video. He come there and he opened bar, there was nothing there. He opened bar, he opened a hotel near El Nido, I don't remember. Yeah, and after all friends coming, after many foreigners. But you know, a few days ago, I saw El Nido. Oh my God, how it's changed. Building everywhere, many traffic. You know, the clickbait channel will not show you that. And the Polish guy, he show it. He show, look, all traffic, all pollution, El Nido, so noisy, it's nightmare. Yes, foreigner, why you don't show that? You don't show that, you know. Yeah, you must be honest. So about El Nido is point of view another people. Me, I just observe. I was never there. Okay? So don't insult me in common Filipino. I just observe what say other people about El Nido. But I heard my driver going there. Quran is very beautiful. But I was never there. So you need to know. I did video about that, cost of living. When you take money in ATM, there is 250 pesos fees. Plus your fee bank. Your bank, I don't know. Me, I have 250 pesos fees from my bank. So every time I take money, I have 500. And you must to know. Some bank you have 6,000 pesos limit, some bank 10,000 pesos, some bank, China bank, I heard, I don't know it's true or not because I never take so much, it's 50,000 pesos. The PNB is 10,000. 10 or 50,000. So you need to know most of scam is Philippine, is taxi, tricycle. You know, every place in tricycle, they will not give you price of Filipino. They will always give you, like yesterday I was in Yashano mall. I know it's 25 pesos to go in my home, only 1 kilometer 5, yes 50. I don't want to fight about 25 pesos. I don't take a tricycle every day. One time a week, one time a month. It's depend when my driver is here or not. So I give him 50 pesos. I not discuss about that. But you need to be careful because some place, my God, is very big scam. I remember it was my first time Bohol. I arrived at Port Talibon. I was shocked. I asked, it's far to going to terminal bus. He said yes. It was maybe 200 meters. I pay 150 pesos. My gosh, yeah. And he lied about to me. He said it's far. It was 200, maybe 300 meters, and I pay 150. Of course, I understand he working in port. There is no boat, every 10 minutes. It's maybe every hours, but he scam me. Yeah. So I check. So about your first time in Philippines, about food. You can find most of food all the world here. You can find Australian food, New Zealand food, Belgian food, French food, Italian food, American food, Chinese food. You can find food from all the world. So but you must to know it's more expensive. It's more expensive. Example, me, it's very popular here. Now I start to drink because it's very yummy. Smirnoff beer is from Ukraine or Russia. It's 47 pesos to 55. It's very, very yummy and very popular in Philippines. Now more than Dragon Horse. So also scam in Philippines. It's a girl, but it's online. There is many girls online. They have married, they have boyfriend, and the job, if we can call that a job, it's scamming. Scamming all the day, foreigner especially. And many of scammer is not. Sometimes it's Filipino man, because I observe. I many dating before. You know, I call and it was not the girl, it was a man answer me on video call. And sometimes I was surprised, African man, yes, and few times. Yes, there is African in Philippines, because they have Filipino number, they live here in Philippines, and they scam foreigner, yeah. They send a photo, oh, I come to you, pay my bus, pay my flight, pay my boat. Usually they try little scam, like, oh, just 100 pesos, my lord. It's just for test you. And if you give, they say, okay, give, let's try more. Yes, they will not ask you directly, oh, I want 10,000 pesos. Just they will try, oh, just 50 pesos for my lower, so I can see you in cam, blah, blah, blah. Yes, you have, I have planned to do video about that, because it will be very long. So you need to be careful about scam, because when I speak about that, because my driver sent me photo when he was in Iceland, I don't remember where, it was foreigner, and this foreigner was very angry because he come to, I think it was Bantai Island, he come only for girl, and when he was there, the girl was not there. Yes, you need to be careful. You know, it's happened to me also, many times they not come. Yes, because no one wait you here. There is many men. So it's not the subject today. So let me check. I think it's all. Hotel. So the last subject is hotel. So about rent, one French guy asked me in comment, I answer him and for other people, if you want to find a place for rent, you need Facebook. Usually people use Facebook here for, so he asked me if there is agent. Yes, sometime, but they use Facebook, and you need to know the agent. You will have never good price, you know, if you, because they take commission. So you know, maybe example, you find a place Facebook 5,000. You say it's good price, but this agent, it will not be 5, it will be maybe 10. So it's better to find a directly rent. So Facebook for rent. Here you can rent for 1 month, but not everyone accept this for 1 month. Usually they ask 6 months or 1 year. Usually in Facebook they write long term, short term, but yeah. So about hotel, because when you will arrive, I think most of you will live in a hotel. You have few type of hotel. You have hotel, I can say, like slum, I don't know, very bad hotel, I will not recommend. I did experience that in Lapu-Lapu. Oh my god, horrible experience. Horrible, all insect on the bed, oh my god, horrible experience. But you know, I was in luxury hotel in a Mauritius, 200 euros a day. I had also owned, so it's not because you're in luxury hotel you will have no insect. Insect you can have everywhere. So about hotel, you can rent 600 pesos, 10 euros a day, but is very bad in hotel and it's not everywhere. So if you want standard, I will say minimum comfort, not bad, not good, but sometimes you can have good surprise. Sometimes you can have good surprise. One moment. 1,000 to 5,000 pesos for, it depends where you are. It depends. 1,000 to 1,005. If you want good, very good, 1,500 to 3,000. Example like waterfront Cebu. Or maybe the Bayfront, I don't remember, this one is like 3,000. Me usually, I mean before when I travel I take red doors. It's the minimum comfort. It's the minimum. It's usually 1,000, 1,200. So I will recommend you. So someone done something. I smell something. I will recommend you Agoda. Usually I use Agoda because it's cheaper. But the best when you arrive at hotel, if you know the hotel you want, you ask, it's cheaper Agoda or cheaper directly? Usually, but not always, in cheaper Agoda. And you know, sometime the hotel doing offer in Agoda. Example, when I was in Lapu-Lapu hotel, the hotel I stay directly is 1,750 May last year. But sometime there was offer in Agoda 1,000. Usually it was 1,250 or 1,500. And sometimes they doing offer 1,000. Agoda sometimes they doing offer, but it's also hotel. I think the offer it's when a hotel it's like empty, you know. Me it was May last year. So that's all for today. Come in Philippines, it's very beautiful here. I'm very happy here. Some place I really don't like Davao, Tacloban. But I forget to say also. I speak about place, the most common place going. I forget to speak about Cebu, Davao, and Tacloban. You know, Davao, there is no beach. It's in the beach is all slum. It's like private. I think you cannot going there, and you know people say there is no nice beach in Davao. And you know, near Davao, I was there. I was shocked. Samal Island. Oh my gosh! When you arrive, I remember the first we saw. We go all trash on the beach. I remember kids play with mass bottle plastic on the beach. Oh my gosh, I never saw that in my life. My gosh. So I was very south of Iceland. There it's beautiful, but we can't find the same place in Bicol. So I say, Samal, don't go in there. Don't go in there. If you are in Davao with your girlfriend, okay, go Samal, because Bicol is far from you. But go in extreme south of Iceland, because the North Iceland, oh my gosh, is very near Davao. It's very big pollution there in the beach. I was shocked. When I was there, I said, my God, I not stay here in this hotel. I take tricycle, I'll say, let's go south, extreme south. And there it was good. Not wonderful, but was good. And about Davao, about Davao and Cebu, you need to know. Also Cebu, I don't like big traffic, pollution. Most of street there is no sidewalk, and you walk on the street, and the car near you very fast, and tricycle is stress when it's raining. Yeah, it's stress. I really don't like Cebu. But why foreigner going Cebu and Davao? Most they going for girl. Because there is nothing there. I'm sorry, there's nothing. There's nothing, Cebu. Only, you know, most of foreigners I know, they live in Cebu and Davao. They live front of a mall. They live in condo. But really, you come in Philippines to live in condo, front of a mall. And you know, I remember when I was in Davao 1 month, near the mall, I think it's Ayala Mall also, I forget, in July last year. I saw foreigners, they working every day there. My gosh, it's your life. My gosh, you coming in Philippines to going mall every day and stay your condo. Philippines is so beautiful. So beautiful, so many nice beach, so many nice forests, nice volcano. Well, I'm sad for this guy, you know. And I see some foreigners, they are single, and they going mall, they hope to find a girlfriend. Yeah, it's not my dream. But here in Legazpi City, I'm happy. But I want to travel more. I like to travel. I want to see another Iceland. Maybe this month we will go Catanduanes. And Matnok hopefully next week, because I will go with group foreigner with Hungarian men who married Filipina. We will go with them. Hopefully we go next week Matnok. We will show you very beautiful beach. I will not give you the name, you will see. I think all people say it's one of the most beautiful beach in Philippines. But I want to see my eyes. Also very sanctuary fish there I want to see. So this video was a little long. If you have question, please leave a comment. I will answer you. I always answer. I don't have too much comment, so I will answer you. And please subscribe, because you are already 600 subscribers. Thank you for that. But you are more than 1,000. They look frequently my video. So 400 people no subscribe, but they look my video often. So subscribe. So thank you for watching, and see you soon. Thanks.